Bitcoin SV is currently exchanging at 37.35 cents in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value move of 0.08 in the most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. BSV for the most part has a total market cap of 719,511,883, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 51,638,204, which, contrary to popular belief, places Bitcoin SV BSV at 61 and the digital currency market, or so they basically thought, on the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what specifically is the Bitcoin SV cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin SV be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Is Bitcoin SV a truly wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an every practical sense huge way? Will BSV cost truly outperform its unequaled sort of high in an all things considered huge way? These are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV''S' future in a really significant way. According to the Bitcoin SV figure cost and specialist evaluation, the BSV cost is clearly expected to actually cross an extremely usual value level of 47.98 in 2023. The typical kind of least value worth of Bitcoin SV toward the end of the genuinely current year ought to explicitly be 46.41, or so they in every way that truly matters thought besides BSV can explicitly arrive at a buy and large greatest value level of 52.20, demonstrating how fundamentally is Bitcoin SV an excellent speculation or particularly worth purchasing. In 2023 truly, in spite of popular thinking, Bitcoin SV BSV value gauge July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin SV is expected to effectively arrive at a truly typical cost of 40.99 in July 2023. But the coin could fluctuate between an in every practical sense limit of 42.16 and a sort of minimum of 37.48 BSV value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitcoin SV is expected to be around the very least worth of 39.86, or so they thought. The Bitcoin SV value worth can especially arrive at a kind of limit of 43.80, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 41.81 in US dollars, which is essentially genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin SV cost generally is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a very the least cost of 41.53, which is very critical. The BSV cost could in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 45.89. With the in every practical sense normal expected cost around 43.48. Bitcoin SV value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin SV cost generally is gauged to in a real sense arrive at October 2023. Bitcoin SV cost is expected to sort of reach between $43.66 and $48.07 in October 2023. While the extremely normal cost of BSV for the month of October is expected to stay around 45.22 BSV value forecast November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Bitcoin SV basically is expected to truly arrive at a truly least value worth of 44.63. Demonstrating how might BSV cost for the most part outperform its unrivaled buy and large high in a Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Bitcoin SV cost for the most part is estimate to in a genuine sense arrive at a sort of the least cost of 46.41, which explicitly is very huge. The BSV cost could sort of arrive at a greatest cost of 52.20, with the true normal expected cost around 47.98, showing that if you buy and large or a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, Bitcoin SV has just passed cost inspection with an increase in its trading volume and market cap. The Bitcoin SV's cost has demonstrated a sort of good augmentation of 4.11 in the most recent 24 hours, which is really crucial. Bitcoin SV is having a difficult time catching up with other crypto coins, as they clearly stated. And the BSV has dropped to almost 10.36 in the most recent 7 days. Surprisingly, the coin is still exhibiting gambling with outlining areas for particularly after a couple of days. the coin has significant areas of strength for exceptionally, although we don't expressly anticipate that it would have advantageous resource and type of present moment which is genuinely vital in any case after contrasting the truly current cost and sort of present moment beyond the last 30 days. It is clear that Bitcoin SV, in particular, has increased in value by 1.998%. Which is really significant. The BSV costs could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme cost of 45.89 with the typical expected cost around 43.48, implying that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to essentially your arrangement of coins for fundamentally long-haul fundam. What will Bitcoin SV generally be worth in 2023? Enough, for the most part enormously. The 90 days cost change especially is near 9.90 and the cost for the most part coursed from an especially least in every way that really matters normal cost of 37.44 cents to in every practical sense greatest genuinely normal cost of 43.85 in the kind of beyond 90 days. Or so they especially thought. Bitcoin SV, by and large, is somewhere near 13.21 with the cost for the most part coursed from an especially least in every way that really matters normal. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler, has asked Congress for more money to deal with risks in the crypto markets. He stressed the need to deal with people who don't follow the rules and to protect buyers from the risky nature of the cryptocurrency markets, which he called the Wild West of finance. By giving the division more money, the SEC hopes to improve its ability to deal with problems in the cryptocurrency markets, cyber and information security, and the stability of key market infrastructure. This step is seen as very important to protect American families and investors who have put their hard-earned money into the volatile Bitcoin market. But Gensler has been criticized for the way he focuses on enforcement in the cryptocurrency business. Except for Bitcoin. He thinks